draw a road for the van and the truck. Tap the green button next to me when you're done. Draw a circle, like this ball. Let's draw a circle, like the letter O.
Bath time is fun. Do you remember my rubber duck? The letter D makes the D sound, like in the word duck. All dry. This is the lowercase n. N makes the N sound. Oh, like in the word noodles. N as in noodles. The letter K makes the K sound, like in the word kite.
Give the letter K to Olo. P. The letter P makes the P sound, like in the word. Tap the letter P and the pizza.
Pizza.
Good thinking. Trace the lowercase letter P. Super! You traced the letter P. Trace the uppercase letter P. Great! You traced the letter P.
Hey! And this is the lowercase k. K makes the K sound, like in the word kite. Hooray for the letter K!
Drag the letter K to the rabbit.
Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
Good work! You dragged the letter K to the rabbit. Drag the letter N to the rabbit.
Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
Good work! You dragged the letter N to the rabbit. Put the ball with the letter K with the bat. Good work! Put the apple with the letter D on the tree. D. Great! Give the hen the hay with the letter K. Great job! Help the bee with the letter N fly to the hive. Awesome! Trace the lowercase letter K. Great! You traced the letter K.
This is the uppercase letter Q. The letter Q makes the Q sound, like in the word queen.
Feed the letter Q to Olo. Yay! You fed the letter Q to Olo. Feed the letter Q to Olo. Yay! You fed the letter Q to Olo. Feed the letter Q to Olo. Yay! You fed the letter Q to Olo. Feed the letter W to Olo.
W.
Yay! You fed the letter W to Olo. Feed the letter W to Olo.
W.
Yay! You fed the letter W to Olo. Feed the letter W to Olo.
W.
Yay! You fed the letter W to Olo. Which one has the letter Q? Tap it.
Q.
Cool beans. Which one has the letter D? Tap it.
D.
Keep it up. Which one has the letter Q? Tap it.
Q.
Keep up the good work. Which one has the letter N? Tap it.
N.
Nice! Trace the uppercase letter Q. Great! You traced the letter Q.
Looks like Piggy Panda needs to have a wash. It's bath time. First, let's brush his teeth. Pick up the toothbrush.
Fantastic.
Now rinse them out.
Well done.
Soap him up with the sponge. Pick up the sponge.
Good job.
Help our friend in the shower. Turn on the shower.
Well done.
Now let's dry him off. Pick up the hair dryer. Good job! Piggy Panda's all cleaned up.
Circles to give the operations result. Congratulations! Good. Click on the circles to give the operations result. Super! Way to go! Awesome!